So it's finished installing. We'll hit finish. And you will see if you go to your Windows All Programs, you will see that you will have a folder, RhinoCAM 2024 for Rhino 8. Now I have other earlier products installed. This folder right here is new. And one good thing to mention here is if you may be at some time you may not want to run the product when you run Rhino 8. So there's an option here to load the RhinoCAM when Rhino starts, or to unload RhinoCAM when Rhino starts. Okay, so let's go ahead and run Rhino 8. Okay, so this is when you first run and when you first install RhinoCAM and run it the very first time, it doesn't know that you have a license, so you will come up with this dialog, the Welcome to RhinoCAM 2024 dialog, and you have various options here, and we'll go through those. You can go straight in to activate your paid product if you have your license code, and that will be in, again, that will be in your email that you received after you purchased the product. But I did want to mention these other options here if you don't have a license code yet. So you can run the product in demo mode, and let's just do that. So what you see here is another dialog that basically has the different modules that you can run in demo mode. So you can run the mill module, turn, the art module, nesting, and our mesh module. And we have two additional modules here, profile nesting and the G-code editor. Now, what's important to note here is that for running the mill module, you can run which configuration that you want to run. For example, if you've purchased the standard configuration, okay, and you want to know what's in the expert configuration, just go ahead and unplug your computer from the internet and run the product, and you'll come up in demo mode because it can't access your license, and you can just run the product in a higher configuration, and all of the operation types, all the toolpaths and everything is there. You can play around with it, see how it works. You just can't post, and you can't save your operations, but that's a good thing to know here. So let's go ahead, and we're just going to close this for a second. So when RhinoCAM came back up, so let's say I lost that dialog, but in that previous dialog, I could show you that if I go up here and go from here, go to the help. So I can just talk about it. Okay. So this is the dialog that we had up. I showed you the run demo, CAM demo. You can also, as I mentioned, you can use the activation button and go ahead and activate your product. There's another button here for learning resources, and I'll show you those in a moment. And then there's a free mill product that you can run for free, very, very stripped down version of the CAM module.